Welcome to all to the orientation of Sri Bharat Academy. About school. Sri Bharat Academy is spread over sprawling green fences as we stand at the threshold of new era. The role of education has changed. In the current scenario, education needs to prepare the learner to meet the challenges and demand of ever-changing society. At Sri Bharat Academy, we believe that child is the future of our nation, so one has to implement different methods of teaching. We provide the education for understanding that is excellent in quality, engages personally, and prepare global citizens that are ready to face the challenges of the new world. We at Sri Bharat Academy provides an education that every child deserves, and our endeavors is to choose such methods of teaching which endures excellence along with providing a strong base in the ethics, because it is our belief that when excellence meets ethics, the child's mind goes beyond fact and standardized test. About school. Our priority is a success and achievement of the students. To this and we are following continuous and comprehensive evolution system framed by the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, a system that covers all the aspects of learning. We realize that each individual is different, and our constant endeavors is to help each child realize his potential and discover new horizons. Laying special emphasis on language development, we have highly qualified and skilled staff with us who works with the child's pronunciation, modulation, etc. School emblem. Sri Bharat Academy is committed to pursue excellence in every imaginable field. For us, every child is the future of our nation. Sri Bharat Academy ensures that every Bharatiyan is given an opportunity to excel. The school emblem with a book and map of our nation indicates that every Bharatiyan should rise up like the sun with full of knowledge and happiness. Our motto. The school's motto, holding hands for a bright future, is our dedication towards each child, that we help the child lead towards a better future. We encourage them to discover their passion and dedicate their goals in life. All children have gifts and some opens them at different time. Courses of study: English language and literature, spoken English, short stories, one-act plays, speeches, prose-narrative techniques, mathematics, Hindi, science, social science, computer, moral science, general knowledge, environmental studies, aesthetics, dance and music, personality development, grooming, performing arts, physical education. SBA Beyond Academy. Sri Bharat Academy is ready to provoke our kinds with the activity beyond education, like day-wise events, activities, inter-house competitions, inter-school events, quiz, activities on spoken English, skits, promotions, speeches, declamation, scholarship program. Sri Bharat Academy is supporting education to every child of every class, to those who are struggling hard to make their child well educated. Sri Bharat Academy is starting from this session to provide scholarship of 100% exemption of tuition fees to student who scores highest marks in the entrance exam for a particular standard. 85% and above 20% discount, 80% to 85 20% discount, 75 to 80 10% discount. The child who scores highest marks will be given 100% exemptions of tuition fee in the upcoming session for the whole year. Registration and admission. The academic session commences in April every year and consists 2 terms, April to September, October to March. The application for registration is attached in the prospectus. The registration form along with the registration fee should be deposited at the school reception. The registration fee is non-refundable and does not guarantee admission. At Sri Bharat Academy, 3 pillars stand together for success: the child, the teacher, and thank you very much. Please contact us for the further details in school campus itself.